Yo, we out here in the nature, eating raw chicken. It's gonna be a quick one today. Kinda busy, but we have some time to sit in the nature. It's beautiful here. And raw chicken always beautiful in my tummy. 51 days. Kinda crazy. Who would have thought this would happen? Sorry, there's some bullshit in my raw chicken. I don't wanna eat the forest. I wanna eat the raw chicken. Get the forest off my raw chicken. Forest? That's not human food. Raw chicken. Perfect human food, maybe. 51 days, huh? Health has been pretty good. No digestive issues. Minimal skin issues. Energy kinda up and down. But from the raw chicken, because I eat a lot of other stuff too. So there's mosquito in my back. I'm using raw chicken to kill it. So my energy is being kinda up and down. Sometimes kinda fatigued. A little lethargic. Sometimes kinda good. But like I said in my coffee video, I quit coffee after 15 years of heavy use. I kinda feel my adrenalines were overworking for many years. So maybe it's that. I don't get that adrenaline rush no more as easily. And my body's kinda healing. But like I said, I was saying, I eat a lot of other stuff too. So I kinda, in the raw chicken experiment, try to assess how I feel after eating the raw chicken. How I feel right after and how I feel a couple hours after. And I feel like raw chicken is very neutral, calming. Doesn't give me fatigue really. I feel like beef is harder to digest and sometimes fatiguing, but also sometimes really good. I like the mix. Beef, chicken. There's mosquitoes here. They're eating me up. Freaking hell, I need to stand up. It's beautiful. There's a cool place. Like I was saying, good balance, eating beef, raw chicken, raw fishy. But yeah, I don't get those adrenaline rushes like I used to with the coffee. So my body's kinda getting used to that. But like I said in the yesterday's video, it's never gonna be perfect. Always goes with the cycles. Sometimes I feel like my testosterone is super high. Sometimes I feel like body needs rest. And I don't stress about it, or whine about it, or bitch about it. I listen to my body. Sometimes you need rest. I've been very athletic and abusing my body for years. And I could continue. Because it's all about discipline. mind power with Dashi. But sometimes you have to realize that maybe your body is your friend, not your enemy. And actually start listening to what your body says. Raw chicken makes my body feel good. But it's not this super thing that's gonna make all your problems better. Like no food is. That's the biggest scam in food, spirituality, religion, money, materialism. Fucking everything. Like one thing's gonna make your life better. Not gonna happen like that. It's very complex. But this thing here we're seeing around me, that's the starting point. I think most of us could agree. This is the place we're supposed to live. And when we do that, we kind of feel the best, I think. Might be hard if you've never been here. You've never been out here. You don't know the magic yet. You don't get the downloads. But we out here. And my raw chicken is gone, so see you next time.